Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make avocado oil. Avocado oil is excellent and it's going to promote hair growth beyond your expectation. It's going to leave your strand moisturized and super thick. Your hair will never stop growing after using this oil, guys. You're going to thank me later. One and only star ingredients, avocado. Avocado is excellent when it comes to moisturizing dry hair. Avocado has a lot of moisturizing benefits to the hair. Avocado is really good for if somebody is having dry hair strands, guys. Okay, so if you have thin, dry, brutal, frizzy, avocado is a fruit that you should be looking out for because it has all these qualities and nutrients that are going to help nourish and moisturize your scalp. There's so much benefit when it comes to avocado on your hair due to the nourishing qualities of the vitamins and the oils in avocado. So we're making this avocado oil to promote hair growth and thicker hair strands. As you've seen, I have cleaned and cut off and scooped the avocado into a big bowl, and now I'm smashing just to enable the fats to infuse better in our oils. This process takes a minute, so be gentle and take your time. I did not want to use a blender because the consistency would be too thick for my blender to process, so that's why I'm using this scoop to smash the avocado. I'm going in with my sunflower oil, which is excellent oil for infusion because it's a lightweight oil and it's all herbal oil, guys. Okay, so I'm going in with 250 mils of the oil and I'm adding it to a cooking pan. Adding the avocado into a cooking pan with the oil in it so I can infuse on low heat, and this process takes a minute. It should be on a very low heat so that it should not stick on the cooking pan. You see what I'm saying? You have to stir thoroughly throughout, so just as I'm doing, so you don't get to ruin the amazing benefits of this avocado, guys. As I said, avocado is a natural moisturizer. Avocado is going to prevent hair loss, and it's going to promote healthy hair growth. Avocado helps a lot when it comes to strengthening of hair strand. It's going to promote thicker hair strands. Avocado acts as a sunscreen for your hair, so it protects your hair from the effects of the sun. It has been over an hour now since it has been infusing. As you can see, it's already night, and I'm going to let this cool down overnight, and I'll strain it the next day. Also, this avocado is really good if you have damaged hair. So it's not just the avocado oil. You can look out for anything with avocado, either it's a deep conditioner or anything that you can find with avocado. It's going to repair your hair quickly. So it's the morning, and this is how it looks like. It's looking really good, and it's time to strain. I'm using bandana to strain this, and I'm going to fold it just not to allow particles to go through. Unfortunately, the bandana is small, so the particles could go through into the oil, so I'm using a bigger bandana just to make sure that the strain process is a breeze. And also this avocado oil, you can use it in different types of ways. You can use it as a hot oil treatment. You can use it as a regular hair growth oil on your scalp. You can apply at least once every day or once every other 2 days, depends with your convenience. And also you can use it you can add it to your regular deep conditioner and boost it, and you can have wonderful benefits. Or you can use different ways. Actually, I'm going to prepare a deep conditioner next after this tutorial to show you how I use this avocado oil on my hair. So I want to encourage you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Here we have our avocado hair growth oil for unstoppable hair growth. But this avocado hair oil, as you can see, it has some whitish stuff in there. Those are moisturizing element from the content of avocado. So I'm going to put this on heat just to make sure to dehydrate the oil, because it's so moisturizing. You can use it the way it is, but it's not going to last you for long. So if you have plans for it to last for days, then this process is important for you to do it. Put it on low heat at least 5 minutes for it to shimmer, then you're good to go. Make sure you strain it. After this shimmering process, then store it to your applicator bottle, and either way you're going to use it. Stay tuned for the video that I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. tap the video on the screen and enjoy yourself. So I'm going to see you guys over there. Be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts. Like and subscribe to this video and share to your loved ones. And of course, I'm going to see you in the video on the screen. Bye.